Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Is the Nebeus wallet a safe and reliable choice for managing your crypto? Let's explore its features and security measures. You can find links to the Nebeus wallet and more details in the description below. The Nebeus wallet is a versatile cryptocurrency wallet seamlessly integrated into the Nebeus ecosystem. It's designed for users of all levels, from beginners taking their first steps into the crypto world to seasoned enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive platform. Whether you're looking to securely store, effortlessly manage, earn passively, or even borrow against your crypto assets, the Nebeus wallet strives to provide a complete financial solution. Supporting a wide spectrum of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT, the Nebeus wallet allows you to hold, transfer, and oversee a diversified portfolio of digital assets. Its integration with the broader Nebeus platform unlocks further advantages, such as access to crypto-backed loans, attractive savings programs, and convenient exchange services. The wallet offers smooth and intuitive access to your funds through a user-friendly interface optimized for both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience regardless of your preferred platform. Security is paramount, and the Nebeus wallet prioritizes the safety of your assets. Employing bank-grade security measures like robust data encryption and secure cold storage, Nebeus aims to protect user funds from potential cyber threats. Further reinforcing security, all user accounts are protected by two-factor authentication, 2FA, and rigorous identity verification processes. The platform also adheres to relevant financial regulations, ensuring the responsible handling of your assets and personal information. What distinguishes the Nebeus wallet is its financial flexibility. Users can leverage their crypto holdings to access crypto-backed loans without having to sell their assets, providing valuable liquidity when needed. The wallet also features a savings program, enabling users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency deposits and transform idle assets into a source of passive income. Furthermore, a built-in exchange facilitates seamless swapping between different cryptocurrencies or converting them to fiat currency with ease. Dedicated customer support is readily available to address any user inquiries, and the platform prioritizes transparency, clearly outlining the terms and conditions of its financial services. The Nebeus wallet is tailored for anyone seeking to maximize the potential of their crypto assets while ensuring their security. In summary, the Nebeus wallet combines robust security features with a range of versatile financial tools, making it a compelling option for managing and utilizing your cryptocurrencies. If you're in search of a secure and feature-rich wallet, the Nebeus wallet is certainly worth considering. Explore the links in the description to learn more and begin your journey with the Nebeus wallet today.